Hello everyone! Today, we're going to discuss how exercise can improve your brain function. We all know that physical activity is essential for maintaining a healthy body. But did you know that it can also greatly enhance your mental health and cognitive abilities? Let's dive into the benefits of exercise for your brain. Firstly, regular exercise helps to increase the flow of oxygen and nutrients to the brain, which is essential for maintaining healthy brain function. Exercise also promotes the growth of new neurons and the repair of damaged cells, thereby improving cognitive abilities such as memory, attention, and problem-solving skills. There are several types of exercises that can help to improve brain function, including 1. Exercise that involves the brain, such as reading, writing, or solving puzzles. 2. Physical activities that challenge the brain, such as dancing, sports, or even just going for a walk. 3. Mental exercises, such as memory games, Sudoku, or practice sessions for a new skill. It is important to note that while exercise can help to improve brain function, it is not a magic solution. To see significant improvements in your cognitive abilities, it is recommended to engage in regular exercise for at least 30 minutes per day, 5 days a week. Additionally, it is important to choose activities that you enjoy and that challenge your brain in a positive way. In conclusion, incorporating regular exercise into your daily routine can greatly improve your brain function and overall mental health. By challenging your brain and providing essential nutrients, exercise can help to maintain and even enhance your cognitive abilities. So, let's make a commitment to engage in some form of physical activity and start reaping the benefits for a healthier and more intelligent mind.